Good morning, children. Welcome back to your spelling class. And today's topic is silent letters. What is the meaning of silent letters? Silent letters are those which we can see but we cannot hear the sound. So today in this video we are going to learn about 4 silent letters. So let's begin. So children, read the spellings with me here. Guide. Now what is the pronunciation of this word? It is guide. Guide, guide. But can you see that I am not pronouncing the letter U, because the pronunciation of U is A, like U for umbrella, A. But here we are not pronouncing it. That means you cannot hear the sound of U. Okay? If I hide this letter, then also the pronunciation of this word will be guide. Okay? But still we kept this here. That's why we say this is a silent letter. Same with the next word, Guard, guard. Here also the pronunciation of U is missing, because if I hide U, then also the pronunciation will be Gard, guard. Tongue, Tongue, tongue. So the pronunciation of U is missing. Okay. So U in all these cases are silent, right? If you notice carefully, this silent letter is coming after the consonant G. G-U, G-U, G-U. Okay? So, be careful with the sound of U next time when it comes after the letter G. So, the pronunciation will be guide, guard and tongue. Now, let's come to the next set of words. Now, here we are ready with another 3 sets of words. Climb, C-L-I-M-B. What is the pronunciation? It's not climb, it's climb. So, we are not pronouncing the letter B. Next case also, C-O-M-B. The pronunciation will be comb, not comb. This is T-H-U-M-B, thumb. Okay. So, in all these cases, I am not pronouncing the letter B. And here also, if you notice carefully, this silent letter is sitting after the consonant M in all these cases. Okay. So, we have learnt about the silent letter U and B. Now, come to the next set of words. Now, we have another 3 words here. Let us first spell it out. K-N-O-T, not. The pronunciation is not. Now, if I hide the letter K, then also the pronunciation will be N-O-T, not. Then, K is a silent letter in this word. Knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. Here also, K is silent. Why? Because if I hide this, if I don't write this, then also the pronunciation will be N-I-F-E, knife. K-N-E-E, knee. Here also the same. Without K also the pronunciation will be knee. Okay. And in all these cases, K is sitting before the consonant N. In all the cases, if you see, K is silent in all these cases and it is sitting in front of the consonant N. So, K is a silent letter in this case. Okay. Next set of word. Ghost. From the pronunciation, can you guess which one is the silent letter? Ghost. Pronounce it again and again loudly. Ghost. Here the pronunciation of H is missing. Okay, if I hide this, then also the pronunciation will be G-O-S-T, ghost. Okay, H-O-N-E-S-T, hide H and it will be honest. O-N-E-S-T, honest. H-O-U-R, hour. Okay, so H, the pronunciation of H is missing. We can see H but we cannot hear the sound of H. So in these cases, H is silent. Right, children? And what is common in all these three words? That H is sitting in front of the vowel O. Okay, so ghost, honest and hour. Now the recap time. So today we have learnt about 4 silent letters. They are K, H, B and U. K is silent when it sits in front of the consonant N. H is silent when it sits in front of the vowel O. B is silent when it sits after the consonant M. And U is silent when it sits after the consonant G. In these cases, K, H, B and U will be silent letters. So next time when you will write spellings, be careful about the following rule. Okay? Now let us know about the homework. Your homework will be to write the set of words as I have shown in the video and underline the silent letters with any color. So children, till then, take care of yourself, be obedient, stay safe and have a nice day. Bye bye.